Hey everyone. I wanted to talk a little bit about regenerative futures and the keys to alternative living. Super passionate about helping people live abroad, move abroad. I moved some 12 years ago to Costa Rica. I'm here at our retreat center now. Pick some arugula in the morning and some beets for a smoothie, and really enjoyed this way of life, building tiny houses now. And I made a ton of mistakes while doing this. It wasn't easy, so I want to share some of that, the ins and outs of how to do this, whether it be taxes, whether it be moving with a family, all of the decisions that people have to make, from how to buy land, where to buy land, how to take enough time to do that the right way. I just think it's such a critical time, and so many of my friends are asking about moving to Costa Rica and other countries. And I'm going to be sharing a lot in these days and in the workshop on all of these things, finding schools, you name it. It's also, it's not the easiest thing to do to move out of the U.S. or from another country, from moving your stuff physically, shipping your things, understanding how to do accounting and how to get residency and citizenship and all of those questions. I'll be answering and talking about in the Keys to Alternative Living workshop. People called me crazy when I moved, and I don't think so now, but it was not easy, and it was kind of crazy. But my dad moved from another country some 40 plus years ago because he believed in certain values: clean food, clean water, freedom, health, and I get to enjoy that now, and I really want to help bridge people and share that information. My friends who are starting regenerative communities, retreat centers, buying land for themselves, looking at cooperative living models. There's a ton of good things in it. It's a ton of hard stuff in there. So I really want to dispel some of the rumors, talk about some of that stuff, and really help people make that decision if it's right for them. And we're going to be talking next Tuesday, June 30th, in a free workshop. I'll probably do it just once because I just want to get all this information out there. And even if you can't make the workshop, register. We'll have a video replay. And we'll have some fun. I'm here right now at Vida at a retreat center that I built some years ago. And I couldn't be happier here. I couldn't be happier in all these different parts of Costa Rica when we go on travels. I love the fact that I have friends from all over the world here, that we co-create together, that even if we're not in the same community, and it's not all about intentional community. I personally love neighborhoods where I have sovereignty, but also get to see my friends and have cooperative farming. So whether it's intentional community or just getting a slice of paradise abroad and having your house to raise your kids, or to be with your loved ones, this is an amazing, amazing time to start thinking about that and start thinking about choices like this. So please join me on the 30th. We'll have a blast. And over the next couple of weeks, I'll be interviewing people who have done this, who have built retreat centers, communities, have simply moved and built beautiful homes abroad. And we're going to look at everything it takes to do that. So thank you guys, and hope to see you on June 30th. And look in my bio for the link. It's also going to be in this post. And on Zadel.com, you can find out a ton of more info. And you can look at my Instagram, at Edward Zadelman, and you'll see a few interviews I've already done with people like Stephen Brooks and others who are really spearheading this. When I came down 12 years ago, he had a retreat center. He was building one community. Now he's building another. And there's so many examples of people here doing incredible things. So just know that you're not alone. You're supported in these decisions. And I think that's it for today. Hope to see you guys. Sending big love from Costa Rica. It's a wonderful sunny day. I'm going to go back into the garden, get some stuff for lunch. Cheers, amigos.